Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the USB mouse keeps disconnecting in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices and you see the mouse drivers. You can right click on both of them and open it. Update it. Then expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. You'll find USB root hubs here. Right click, select properties, go to power management and uncheck this box. Then right click, update driver and search automatically for drivers. Update all of them. This is the main solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.